Hello everybody. Today I am going to be pairing my Beats Solo 3 wireless with my PlayStation 5 using this little adapter called a Bluetooth dongle. Apparently PS5 is not Bluetooth enabled, at least not with aftermarket headsets. I know Sony has made a gamer headset. Not sure if that's compatible or not, but this was purchased on Amazon.com. It was about 13, 14 bucks, I believe. And let's see if it works. So here we have the PlayStation 5, and there is a USB port here in the front, but I prefer to use the one in the back. So what we will do is, and I'm going to use, I have a fan with a charger, an accessory. It's a 2-controller charger. It also has a fan to help cool the system down. On this, there is a USB port, but it also leaves a USB port available on the system itself. I will go ahead and use that one instead. All right. Okay, everyone, so let's just recap. You have the little dongle USB. We went ahead and plugged it into here, right? Push that little button, hold it for a few seconds. It flashes. Once that happens, make sure your headphones are on pairing mode, at which case you will then go over to settings, go down to sound, audio output, go over to output device, and make sure you put it on USB headphone, USB audio device. Once you do that and back out, it automatically pairs with this particular brand. From Amazon. Pretty cheap. And your headphones work. I hope that helped. Thanks a lot.